A glimpse of nature creates best of memory. A glimpse of nature creates best of memories. The birds as freedom expressor, trees as equanimity treasurer. The birds as freedom expressor, the trees as equanimity treasurer. Wind as innocence driver, wind as innocence driver. Sunlight as dedication at every junction, dedication at every junction. Water as life, water as life. Sun as living the essence of life, sun as living the essence of life. Flower has fragrance with beauty at sight, flower has fragrance with beauty at sight. Nature is perfection,